pedal equation. Pedal equation of a polar curve. So already we know that polar curve is of the form r is equal to f of theta. The equation of the given curve r is equal to f of theta expressed in terms of p and r. Suppose they given here polar curve they given r is equal to f of theta they given. So expressed in terms of p and r. So polar curve ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in terms of r p and r ಅಲ್ಲಿ express ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is what pedal equation. See, observe carefully here. The equation of the given curve r is equal to f of theta expressed in terms of p and r is called as the pedal equation or PR equation of the curve r is equal to f of theta. R is equal to f of theta, polar curve they given. So we have to find a pedal equation of this polar curve that should be in P and R. So that is what a pedal equation, or we call it as a PR equation of the polar curve R is equal to f of theta. So this is definition of pedal equation, right? So next we have one more derivation here. Pedal equation of a polar curve. Pedal equation of a polar curve or length of the perpendicular from the pole to the is ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್
sir.
ರೈಟ್.
Yes, sir.
Derivation. Pedal equation of a polar curve or length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent. You observe carefully here. We have a diagram here. Let P be any point on the polar curve. This is the P be any point on the polar curve. So this curve represents R is equal to f of theta, polar curve. This curve represents R is equal to f of theta, polar curve. Let P be any point on the polar curve. Let P be any point on the polar curve. R is equal to f of theta. Draw a tangent to the curve. ನಾವೇ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? Draw a tangent to the curve at P. Next, draw a line perpendicular to the tangent from the pole. See, observe carefully here. This is what tangent. Next, draw a line, right? Draw a line from the pole, O, right? So from the pole, so we can draw a line from the pole O, meet at N. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಎನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಓ ಎನ್. ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಪಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಓ ಎನ್ ಪಿ. Here from the right angle triangle ONP, right? So already we know that OP be the radius vector here, right? So that represented by R. So previous derivations are already clear agide. Adu OP is equal to R. We shall consider this is what radius vector. So next theta be the angle between the radius vector and also initial line, that is x-axis, right? Psi is also an angle, that is also that formed by what, tangent and x-axis. Clear? Next, let ON is equal to P. We shall take from the right angled triangle ONP. See, observe carefully here. From the right angled triangle ONP be the right angled triangle. Next, we have sin pi is equal to, observe carefully here, ONP be the right angled triangle. Next, we shall consider sin pi. Sin pi is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Clear? Opposite we have here P, right? Hypotenuse we have here OP. ON by OP. Here ON by OP. So from the right angle triangle ONP, we shall consider sin pi. Sin pi is equal to ON by OP. So ON is equal to we have here, ON is equal to we have here P, and OP is equal to we have here R, right? ON is equal to we have here P, OP is equal to we have here R. So obviously we get here P by R. Sin pi is equal to P by R. So obvious sin pi is equal to p by r, cross multiplication, p by r is equal to sin pi, p is equal to cross multiplication, p is equal to r sin pi. Next, we shall consider p is equal to r sin pi, consider equation number 1, and also we shall consider cot pi is equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta, consider equation number 2. So cot pi is equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta. This is what angle between radius vector and tangent. So consider equation number 2, and also p is equal to r sin pi. We shall consider equation number 1. Next step, squaring equation and take its reciprocal. Squaring equation and take its reciprocal. So equation number 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and reciprocal ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Then we get 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square sin square pi. 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square sin square pi. 1 by r square keep as it is. 1 by sin square pi. 1 by upon sin square pi can be written as cosecant square pi. Next, cosecant square pi is equal to, see, observe carefully here. Cosecant square pi is equal to, we can write 1 plus cot square pi. So cosecant square pi is equal to 1 plus cot square pi. In place of cosecant square pi, so we can write here 1 plus cot square pi. Next here, 1 by r square outside, multiplied with 1 by r square, 1 by r square into 1, 1 by r square. Before going to that, in place of cot pi, see, observe here, in place of cot pi, we have to substitute 1 by r into dr by d theta. In place of cot pi, we have to substitute 1 by r into dr by d theta. 1 by r into dr by d theta whole square, 1 by r whole square, it becomes 1 by r square, dr by d theta whole square, here dr by d theta whole square. So next here, multiplied with 1 by r square, 1 by r square into 1, 1 by r square, 1 by r square into 1 by r square, 1 by r to the power of 4 into dr by d theta whole square. So consider equation number 3. So here 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r to the power of 4 into dr by d theta whole square. Right. Next. Once again. Next, say this is what length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent are a pedal equation of a polar curve. Suppose sometimes ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, it should be in 1 upon p square is equal to 1 upon r square plus 1 upon r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. So prove that ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರನೇ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅವರು. Prove that 1 upon p square is equal to u square plus du by d theta whole square, right? That's why we shall consider let 1 by r is equal to u. Right? We shall consider 1 by r is equal to u. Differentiate with respect to theta. 1 by r. 1 by r differentiation minus 1 by r square. R differentiation dr by d theta, which is equal to u differentiation with respect to theta du by d theta. Squaring on both sides. Right? Minus 1 by r square whole square, it becomes what here? 1 by r to the power of 4. So here squaring on both sides. Minus 1 by r square whole square, it becomes 1 by r to the power of 4. Dr by d theta whole square, du by d theta whole square. See, observe carefully here in equation number 3. So we have 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. So in place of this, we have to substitute du by d theta whole square. So that's why equation number 3 becomes 1 by p square, 1 by p square, 1 by r square. In place of 1 by r square, we have to substitute u square. So because we have here 1 by r is equal to u, 1 by r is equal to u. So 1 by r square nothing but what? U square. 1 by p square is equal to u square plus here plus 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta. Here 1 by r to the power of 4 dr by d theta whole square. In place of this, we have to substitute du by d theta whole square. So this is what length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent, right? So any questions you have, please? Yes, any doubt or any questions you have, please? Any questions you have, please?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So next, we have working procedure. Step number 1, we shall consider given r is equal to f of theta. R is equal to f of theta be the polar curve here, right? So here they given r is equal to f of theta, right? We first obtain pi. So already we know that we have to find angle between radius vector and tangent. We first obtain pi. That is what angle between radius vector and tangent. Polar curve ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್. That is what pi. In step 2, we substitute pi in the equation p is equal to r sin pi. Already we have a equation p is equal to r sin pi. So this is what a polar curve, right? So pedal equation, right? We substitute pi in the equation p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi is what your pedal equation. We have to find pi in step number 1. In step number 2, we have to substitute pi in the equation p is equal to r sin pi. Then this equation becomes p is equal to r into g of theta. Is it clear? Very first step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, pi ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi be the pedal equation. ಈ pedal equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we have to substitute pi value, right? Then this equation becomes p is equal to r into g of theta. So next, step number 3. So already we have a equation p is equal to r into g of theta, and also given equation r is equal to f of theta. So already they given polar curve, that is what r is equal to f of theta. Consider equation number 1, and in step number 2 we get p is equal to r into g of theta. That is consider equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we have to eliminate theta, right? From equation 1 and 2 ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we have to eliminate theta. Then we get pedal equation. Is it clear? So we need to eliminate theta between the equations r is equal to f of theta. Consider equation number 1, and p is equal to r into g of theta. Consider equation number 2. So this gives an equation in p and r, which is the required pedal equation. Is it clear? So this is what step number 3. Suppose ನಮಗೆ ಪೈ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಪೈ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. It may be noted that if we are unable to get pi explicitly in terms of theta, we have to square and take the reciprocal of p is equal to r sin pi. So we have an equation, pedal equation, that is what p is equal to r sin pi. So next time ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, square and take the reciprocal. Squaring on both sides, it becomes p square is equal to r square sin square pi, and take reciprocal. So obviously it becomes 1 upon p square is equal to 1 by r square 1 upon sin square pi. 1 upon sin square pi, we know that cosecant square pi. Cosecant square pi can be written as 1 plus cot square pi. We substitute for cot pi. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೈ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ pedal equation, right? This is what step number 4, right? Any questions you have regarding this working procedure?
No, sir. No, sir.
Right. Next, find the pedal equation of the following curves. So problem number 1, here also they given polar curve. So polar curve nothing but what, r is equal to f of theta form. 2a upon r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. So consider 2a upon r is equal to 1 plus cos theta. So already we know that very first step we have to find a angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Pi we have to find. So here, given polar curve r is equal to f of theta, we first obtain pi, angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So taking log on both sides, we have the procedure. So very first step, taking log on both sides, that is it becomes here log 2a upon r, that is equal to log of 1 plus cos theta. Log 2a by r, which is of the form log m by n. Log m by n, we know that log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Obviously this becomes, we have to apply logarithmic property, log 2a minus log r, that is equal to log of 1 plus cos theta. So next step, differentiate with respect to theta. Log 2a differentiation 0, minus keep as it is, log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta, that is equal to log of 1 plus cos theta differentiation 1 upon 1 plus cos theta. 1 differentiation 0, cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. Next, minus 1 by r into dr by d theta. So this is equal to what? Cot pi. So we know that 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi, that is equal to minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Minus minus get cancel, cot pi keep as it is, sin theta. Sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Right? So numerator sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta we have here. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So 1 plus cos theta in ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾದರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2. So denominator 2 cos square theta by 2. Numerator 2 and denominator 2 get cancelled. Numerator cos theta by 2 and denominator one term cos theta by 2 get cancelled. So we get cot pi is equal to sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Sin by cos, obviously it becomes what? Tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2, we know that tan theta is equal to cot pi by 2 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Cot pi by 2 minus theta. So tan theta by 2, obviously we can write in place of theta, we have here theta by 2. So obviously we can write here cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So finally pi is equal to, we get pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So this is what angle between radius vector and tangent. Pi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Angle between radius vector and tangent, right? This is what first part. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ. We shall consider pedal equation, right? P is equal to r sin pi. We shall consider pedal equation P is equal to r sin pi. Pi already we have. Clear? Pi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Clear? Pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So it becomes, in place of pi, we have to substitute pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So it becomes sin of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So we know that sin of pi by 2 minus theta, that is cos theta. So in place of theta, we have here theta by 2. Correct? In place of theta, we have theta by 2. So obviously it becomes, see, observe carefully here, sin of pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta, sin of pi by 2 minus theta by 2, cos theta by 2. P is equal to r cos theta by 2. We have given equation, right? So pedal equation consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. So we get P is equal to r cos theta by 2. We have given equation. So first equation we shall consider, that is what? 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta, given equation. And also obtained equation we have, that is P is equal to r cos theta by 2. Given equation 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta, and obtained equation P is equal to r cos theta by 2. Consider equation number 1 and consider equation number 2, right? So from equation number 1 and from equation number 2, we have to eliminate theta. Clear? From equation number 1 and equation number 2, we have to eliminate theta. So first here we shall consider equation number 1, right? Equation number 1, we have here 2a by r, which is equal to 1 plus cos theta, right? Next step, 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta, that is what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Numerator 2, sorry, left hand side we have here 2 and RHS part 2 get cancelled. So a by r is equal to cos square theta by 2. A by R is equal to, we get cos square theta by 2. Or we can write cos square theta by 2 is equal to A by R. Consider equation number 3. Right? So from equation number 1, we get cos square theta by 2 is equal to A by R. Then we obtained equation number 3. Next, we shall consider equation number 2. So that is what P is equal to R cos theta by 2. Obtained equation adu. Godadala P is equal to R cos theta by 2 be the obtained equation. P is equal to R cos theta by 2. So we want here cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 keep as it is. This R, it goes to LHS. It becomes P by R. Cos theta by 2 is equal to P by R. So from equation number 2, so we get cos theta by 2 is equal to P by R. So next step, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we get cos square theta by 2, which is equal to P square by R square. Squaring on both sides, we get cos square theta by 2 is equal to P square by R square. So equation number 2, which gives equation number 4. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to P square by R square. Right? Consider equation number 4. Next, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Right? From equation number 3 and equation number 4, observe carefully here. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to A by R. Cos square theta by 2 is equal to P square by R square. Right? So we should equate A by R is equal to P square by R square. Right? Cos square theta by 2 is equal to A by R. We have cos square theta by 2 is equal to P square by R square. RHS part na equate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು. A by R is equal to P square by R square. Right? A by R is equal to P square by R square. So next here, we want here P square, right? So P square cross multiplication, P square into R, A into R square, or it becomes what here? R get cancel. Direct ille cancel ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು. R get cancel. So we get cross multiplication P square into 1 P square A by R. Clear? So, sorry. R get cancel. So we get A into R here, right? A into R, P into 1. See, observe carefully. Left hand side we have here R, and RHS we have here R get cancel. A by 1 P square by R. Cross multiplication A into R, P into 1. P square into 1. So obviously we get P square is equal to AR. So observe carefully here. This is what a required pedal equation. P square is equal to AR. So in terms of P and R we have. So obviously this is what a pedal equation. We know that pedal equation definition. It should be in what? P and R, right? P square is equal to AR is the required pedal equation. Right? Any questions you have, please?